Thank you to my beautiful, amazing boyfriend. She got me some new side mirrors to replace my old ones. Thank you. These are like $20. Holy hell. Thank you. Don't need that. I think this one is the good one. That's the passenger side. I'm so excited right now. I'm about to cry. Is that wires? Oh no, I gotta read instructions. Oh no, babe.
These are wires maybe just for if it's heated or not. So you don't have to touch.
Oh really? You know more than me. Here's the old crusty looking ass, toenail ass old one. And here's the beautiful new one. Oh my god. Oh my god, man. Can you hold it for me while I put it in? Stick it in?
Yeah.
Oh my god, these are so beautiful. Like you. I already got most of it off. Really easy, 3 bolts. What about sticking in those holes, right? Okay, you wanna hold it right here?
Right here?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Wow. I don't know how deep to go. Holy sh, that looks sick as hell. So first you gotta pop off this little thing right here, called a little box. You just take a little pick, exposes one, right babe?
Right.
Then you take another pick, you go from back here, and you pop this one out right here. Exposes 2. Boom! Now you're gonna take 2 6s, take these off, or these are actually 8s. Super simple. Isn't she the best wife ever? You're rolling your eyes right there. You take one in here. Camera making you tired? Pretty heavy. Then you switch it to a 6 and you come down here. Squat with me, squat with me. There's one right here. And then one right here. Now all you do now is pop it up. Damn. That's it. And these 3 bolts were good. Thank you, babe. Oh, pull out, girl. Or no pull out at all. Let me give you a little help. Nice. Good job, girl. Wow. These look amazing. These like change the truck so much. Oh, that looks way meaner. Wow.